Welcome to Frequently Mispronounced Business Terms. We do not know how utterly wrong we have been. We have been mispronouncing the basic business terms, and for a successful business student and a businessman, it is necessary to know these terms before stepping into professional field. We pronounce this word as accountability. So this is not accountability. This is accountability, accountability, accountability. Many business students pronounce this word as analysis. This is not analysis, this is analysis, analysis, analysis. Appraisal, appraisal, appraisal. Many people pronounce it as bankruptcy. So there has to be a t sound also, like the t sound in pizza. So we call it bankruptcy, bankruptcy, bankruptcy. Students pronounce this word as calculus. This is calculus, calculus, calculus. Collateral, collateral, collateral. I've heard many people saying it competitor. This is competitor, competitor, competitor. Creditor, creditor, creditor. There are various pronunciations of this word. Some people call it data, but the real pronunciation of this word is data, data, data. Though some Britishers also pronounce it as data, data, data. But the good pronunciation is data, data, data. We call it debt. So we must know that B in this is silent. It is debt, debt, debt. This word is also quite often mispronounced as depreciation. So the correct pronunciation of this word is depreciation, depreciation, depreciation. This word has two pronunciations. So first one, the most common one is economics, 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 and economics, economics, economics. This word is not entrepreneur or entrepreneur. This is entrepreneur, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. This word has three pronunciations, and the most common one is the first one, finance, finance, finance. The second one is finance, finance, finance. And the third one is finance, finance, finance. But again, the most common one is finance, finance, finance. We call this word as guarantee or guarantee. The correct pronunciation of this word is guarantee, guarantee, guarantee. This is not guarantor, not guarantor. Rather, this is guarantor, guarantor, guarantor. We don't pronounce an R in the end. Guarantor. Geographical, geographical, geographical. Hedge, hedge, hedge. Liable, liable, liable. This is pronounced as lien, lien, lien. This is pronounced as mercantile. Rather, this is mercantile, mercantile, mercantile. This is not mortgage. This is mortgage, mortgage, mortgage. Opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. Plea, plea, plea. Pledge, pledge, pledge. This is pronounced as remuneration, remuneration, remuneration. Segmentation, segmentation, segmentation. This is quite often mispronounced as sovereignty. This is not sovereignty. This is sovereignty, sovereignty, sovereignty. So you want more words? Stay tuned. I'll be coming up with new words. So first we are done with these basic words, then we'll be starting with the advanced level words in business. You have to write in comment that how many of these you knew that you spoke correctly when you were there in your university, your classes. So this is for teachers, this is for students, and this is for the professionals of business. So stay tuned, and I wish you all the best for your future learning. Allah Hafiz.